Hey creator, it's your team NOVL, and we're giving you 30 days of bite-sized tutorials packed with insider insight so you can learn how to use Shopify to host your content, monetize, and engage your audience like a pro. Today we're diving into how you can choose the best payment provider for your creator business. For many, Shopify Payments will be the go-to option, but there are some cases where it might not be available to you. Whether it's because of where you're located or the type of products you sell, it's important to know what options you have. All right, let's get into it and head to settings and payments. Shopify Payments is the simplest and most cost-effective option for processing payments and integrates seamlessly with your store. But there are a few reasons why you might not be able to use it. One of those reasons is where you're located. Shopify Payments is available in the US, Canada, Europe, and Hong Kong. To see a full list of supported countries, check the link in the description. Another reason why you might not be able to use Shopify Payments is due to product restrictions. If you're selling cannabis or smoke products, you'll need to find an alternative payment provider. Authorize.net is a common payment provider for CBD, cannabis, and smoke-related products. Check the link in the description for an updated list of prohibited products. So, what do you do if Shopify Payments isn't an option? Don't worry, there are still plenty of third-party payment providers you can use. Some of the more popular options include Stripe, PayPal, and Mercado Pago. If we go back to payments and click See All Other Providers, you can use the search to find the provider you want to use. Keep in mind that third-party providers generally have higher transaction fees compared to Shopify Payments. So while you'll have more options, you may also face higher processing fees and you'll incur Shopify's standard fees, which can add up. If you end up using a third-party provider, the key is to choose an option that gives you the best balance of low processing fees and convenience. Well, that's a wrap. We hope you learned some things, and if you got questions, drop them in the comments. Until tomorrow, be novel.